Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Ascent HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in qualitas.ascentpayroll.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Ascent HR. Click on the sign in button to access the login portal and you will be asked to enter your username. Just type in the username that you set up while creating your account and then click on the next button. You will then be allowed to enter your password. Just type in your account password within the password box and then click on the next button and you will be logged into your Ascent HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Ascent HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.